This right. B said put it to the left, don't listen to the hype though. Got a cup in your hand, baby sitting but you ain't got no kiss. We ain't leaving till it ain't no more left. Can't see no time on the Rolex. Could tell you a freak gon' show it. Looking for the after party with a dough at. Go on the flow like a dough man. Baby you know what to throw that.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I am tasty. It's a meteor cabin acoustic. I was on Henkai FM 93.3.
You've been saying what I can tell from your body language. Okay, let's talk about it. If it's about it, let's talk about it. But you ain't gotta say too much. Ain't gotta say too much.
Ain't
gotta say too much. I can read your body language.
You ain't gotta say too much. Hate when you say that I play too much. When I get too close, I'ma touch that subject. I can read your body. No set. Quit all that yapping. Need less talking, a little more action. Yeah. Now, girl, keep it G. Know you speak a little freak. I can hear it in your accent. Said, tell me, can you understand my language? If you try and ride, just stay in my lane. There's no other way to explain it in layman. Who you came with?
It's not a lot that you've been saying.
That's too much,
Okay, let's talk about it. If it's about it, let's talk about it. But you ain't gotta say too much. Ain't gotta say too much. I can read your body language. Ain't gotta say too much. I can read your body language.
It ain't hard to tell. If you don't wanna take it too far, then well, you better stop flirting and stop twerking. So perfect, cause it's working. That ass worth all the worship. You been in your bag like Birkin. Never had it like this before me. You ain't no girl, better read up on me. You try and get high, gotta re-up on me. Being stuck up, gon' leave you lonely for the night. We should leave before the lights on, girl, I'm too on.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I am tasty. It's a meteor cabin acoustic. I was on Henkai FM 93.3.
I wanna be a baby.
Radio Papa, Radio Papa,
Then I get like this, I can't be around you. I'm too little to dim down the night. Cause I can into things that I'm gon' do. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.
Let's go.
I hope you know I'm for the taking. You know this cookie's for the bag. Kitty, kitty, baby, get her things to rest. Cause you don't beat it like the 68. Diamonds are nothing when I'm rocking with you. Diamonds are nothing when I'm shining with you. Just keep it white and black as if I'm your sister. I'm too hip to hop around, time to hit with you. I know I get wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.
I heard that pussy for the taking. I heard it got these other niggas going crazy. Yeah, I treat you like a lady, lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation. Make it cream, yeah, Wu-Tang. Throw that ass back, bouquet. Call me and I could get it, you say. I could tell you gone off the door, say. Careful, mama, why what you say? You talking to me like your new babe. You talking like you trying to do things. Now that pipe gotta run it like she Usain, baby. You made me drown in it, ooh, touche, baby. I'm carrying that water, Bobby Boucher, baby. And you know I'ma slaughter like I'm Jason. Bust it why you got it on safe. That's too much,
I wasn't born last night. I know these names ain't right. But you was going on my phone last night. But she ain't have a ring or not her ring on last night. Ooh, but that's that nerve. Why give a bitch a heart when she rather have a fight? Why give a bitch an inch when she rather have nine? You know how the game goes. She be mad at halftime. I'm the ooh, but that's that nerve. You all about her and she all about hers. Birdman Jr. and this bitch, no flamingos. And I done did every day but trust these people.
When I reach the want you, and your need can't do nothing for you. These girls ain't loyal. These girls ain't loyal. Yeah. Let me see. Just got rich. Took a broke man. I can make a broke man rich, but I don't broke it. I know your girl wanna lay with it. I took her to the bay with me. Got them white girls like Lady Gaga. Rolling up that by Molly, I'm a rock star. She wanna do drugs, smoke, get drunk. She wanna see him in the trap, and I bet she love all the rappers. When I reach the want you, baby. And you can't do nothing for you, nothing, no. These girls ain't loyal, no they ain't. Whoa, these girls ain't loyal. Yeah. Latin girl with a big booty, if she a bad bitch, let's get to it. We up in this club, bring me the bottles. I know, girl, you don't wanna be kissing your man. I said, no, girl. All this money in the air, I wanna see you dance. Just got rich, took a broke man. I can make a broke man rich, but I don't broke man. And you can't do nothing for you, no, nothing, no. These girls ain't loyal, oh, no. Look what you done started. Gotta act so naughty. Spend all this cash, oh, na-na. If you keep shaking that, oh, na-na-na.
Put your hands in the air if you're loving tonight.
Oh, na-na-na.
Keep your hands in the air.
Hello Ghana, this is your host Carolina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Krusty.
Everybody say it like,
Oh, na-na-na, oh, na-na-na-na-na-na.
Baby, I'm the one you like, yeah. I'ma give you what you like, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'ma give it to you right, yeah.
best time of your life, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Baby, when you ready, tell her wait, just get the check. Girl, I know you ready, I ain't even gotta check.
You been through the worst, let me show you who the best.
You know I'ma get you right, girl, them boys to the left, like.
Oh, na-na. Look what you done started. Oh, na-na. Why you gotta act so naughty? Oh, na-na. I'm about to spend all this cash. Oh, na-na. If you keep shaking that,
Put your hands in the air if you're loving tonight.
oh, na-na-na.
Keep your hands in the air if you're spending the night.
Na-na-na, oh, na-na-na.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I am tasty. It's a meeting Kwabena Krusty. I want Ahenkan FM 93.3.
You the one to celebrate, yeah. You the one they never had, yeah. Oh, yeah.
All the problems you done had, yeah. Lead them broke fellas in the past, yeah. Oh, yeah. Girl, you had good, but I could give you better. I'll have you thinking about forever. I'm like, say,
Oh, na-na-na. Look what you done started.
look what you done started.
Oh, na-na.
Oh, na-na.
Why you gotta act so naughty?
Acting a fool.
Oh, na-na.
Hey,
About to spend all this cash. Oh, na-na.
na-na.
If you keep shaking that. Oh, na-na-na.
Put your hands in the air if you're loving tonight.
Oh, na-na-na.
Keep your hands in the air if you're spending the night.
Oh, na-na-na. Oh, na-na-na-na-na-na.
Hello Ghana, this is your host Carolina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Krusty.
When we leave this party, you gon' let me tonight. Feeling lucky tonight, girl. When we leave this party, you gon' let me tonight.
Oh, na-na-na.
Put your hands in the air if you're loving tonight.
Na-na-na.
Keep your hands in the air.
Radio Papa, Radio Papa, I'm good. Thank you.
Johnny. Yeah. I'm a dog for a pepper. I just say move back, Johnny. See my baby, don't cry, cause I did for you. See my baby, don't cry, cause I did for you. See my baby, don't cry, cause I did for you. Yeah. See my baby, don't cry, cause I did for you.
Yeah. Me do fu be do tema ananse be chime nine minim so di ni je ne beba me ye ne niema pii ne mum ni di kan me di nso be si ne jaso na me de mensa to ne kom me de ne be kwa asaso se wo bie na no a be se ye kom ma me nya wo hu adwuma me twenya manso emu na ma twe me do fa be me se won fa di ti be to me so me ka bibia me sei mu ma odo fa be ma me na me hiti. So one time in Kabioma Bunti. If you have a power name, so
right, so music from Michael Owusu, aka Sarkodia, because this one, Don't Cry, of the album No Pressure. 26 minutes into 10, folks. Midweek edition of a Juma. Right, so today happens to be the first day of September. That's right.
So
Right, so good morning to everyone who has actually tuned in to the best mid-morning in town. My name is Jenny Champon Boateng Cosmos. Call me Bruce Money. Call me Corbin Acosti. Call me Abranti Pod, the perfect gentleman. And of course, as you always know, I don't do this alone. So big thank you to Akoswa Paduman. Big thank you to DJ Shabo. Big thank you to Nanato Pahin. We are on from now to 12 p.m. Trust me. Good music, good vibe is what we're going to do right here on the dial. In the meantime, if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Ganteten, if you speak Ever F1, break me point to me. If you speak Awaza Yade, Fralaone, if you speak Rushi Quit, if you speak in the Marcord, yeah. If you do speak fancy, Pacha, what the dang. What the dang.
I know. I just say move back, Daniel.
Hey, go forward, Paul.
I'm a dog for a pepper. I just say move back, Daniel. See my baby, don't cry, cause I'm there for you.
Shabu, what's it? I don't for better. Baku Jano. That's about Jan. Oh, where's the bunny? Alright, so I'll bring you motivational message. I'll bring you famous birthday and also question of the day. But hey, let's get interactive on Facebook. Corbin Acosti on Facebook and also Ahinkai FM on Facebook as well. Sending your messages through 0594-841044 and I'll read them loud on radio for you. 0594-841044 0594-841044 is a text message number. You can send a WhatsApp as well. 0594-841044. Right, it's another question of the day. Would you want your salary split and paid every week, or you prefer monthly? This issue, I think, Charlie, them for put for parliament inside, like they for go discuss for parliament. Yeah, then like we gonna say they go pay you monthly or they go pay you weekly. So let me know your opinion on 0594-841044. Would you want your salary split and paid every week or you prefer monthly? Open the day. You want now watching or you want bosumi? Which one you don't want? Yeah, Charlie Book, we know. Yeah, in the 750594841044. And I said, Facebook. Shosha Kobina Kosti on Facebook. And I said, Ahinkan FM. Charlie, I mean, we are live on Facebook. Okay, it's Kobina Kosti on Facebook or Ahinkan FM on Facebook. Now, follow or comment no, Fegu. O pese ye twa oka ana o salary no ye chemu ni afama obosome ana o de ope na otwe aha debi ye chemu ni da ma na otwe ana ye ntwen fa mbom ma obosome then I ope this issue. Oh my days. My baby. Guys, I will bring you motivational message in the GF. Stay tuned. 93.3 of Good Morning.
Don't cry, 'cause I did for you. Yeah. See my baby, don't cry, 'cause I did for you.
Yeah, Edame dofu bedu tema. Ananse beche me nine. Minim so di ni jene beba. Meye ne niema pi ne mum ni di kan. Midin so be sine jaso na me de mensa to ni kom me de ne be kwa asaso se wo bie na no a be se ye kom ma menye wo ho adwuma me twen man so emu na ma twe me do fa be me se won fa li ti be to me so me ka bibia me sei mu ma odo fa be ma me na me hiti se wante me ka bi o ma wo hunti ekua pepa wonim ni so na fisa se na me nsa ni fa no ne na waso eki.
But young kind of great Saturdays sometimes in the rap.
Inti bonye will be doing the same.
I see, Meso the moon, Assassin, Meso the moon, Agaza, shh, you come, hey, over there. Titi, Otio, Titi, Oti.
Yes, sure, will be premise. Betting in your wood.
Oh, my days. Alright, so 32 minutes into 10 goes out here in 93.3 of FM.
Cinema fluent, you won't do any measure.
I know my motivational message, Mission Crown of Pay. Right, I still make Kyle say, I'll wait till I join the show live on Facebook. I think 93.3 FM live on Facebook. Johnny and Alf. Our messages in the brand I can kind of amount. Today I'm reading all your messages. So send them through. Would you want your salary split and paid every week, or you prefer monthly? Open on bosomi and I say open and I watch. Open bosomi and I watch. Alright, so send them through 0594 841044. 0594 841044. And I'll be more than glad to read them for you. Trust me. Right, so I see a couple of messages on Facebook. Yo, my guy, Odan Citizen, what's up, my brother? Odan Citizen. It's Shabba Praise. The train room in the bus for this Saturday. Sunday. Yeah, I know, right? Right, so let me motivate you this morning, Mami Shawn crying. You know, life will become much easier when we will finally understand which hand to shake and which one to hold. Oh, too deep. The life will become much easier when we will finally understand which hand to shake and which one to hold. Now I'm breaking it down for now. Abrabon be simple, Abrabon be easier. abrabo no be thought the amount. Ubenya your peace of mind. Wasumbe ju abrabo ni ma. E wo se uhu nipa obefa na sadanfo. Ene nipa obetwe uhu efru omo. Eno ani asem no tintin tete nyi ni. Sha wo se ma kire mu ye. But the life will become much easier when we will finally understand which hand to shake and which one to hold. I was out here say you nipa bia ya be kan say passer by obetwa mu abrabo ni mu fine man ntwa mu ko. Ya woni pa mi so ho no ma. Oba abrabo ni mu I was say wo gene trance. Because nipa na ye nshira de ma abrabo. Na ye blessing. What you say? Eti o say wo hu nipa ubechia no na wo twam akọ ba bi. Ade nipa wo chia na ubekra ne nsem ade na bata ho sadanfo. Wo hu sa entema bebo awo. If you are able to assist this petty things in life and way a life hack simple. Where a life hack sometimes you don't need prophets or any prophetess to tell you say adanfo we wan boa. Bible said by their dish and I said by their then you shall know them. Kind of saying by omu help me with the tree. Hey, shall we grow into baby? Omu sumai ube hu omu. By omu sumai ube hu sene omu tie. Ni tiatia ne tintin yan no. Enya by force say nipa bi ba abrabo me so o tan abrabo ma ko sie wiye. Se obi aba na okwa me pa cho ma ne nko. Ko sani pa no yan design na ma so o me bo abrabo mu. And the fashion would trim say, ya wo ma o ba abrabo mu betna. And no mo ba abrabo mu betwa ma kokeke. And the fashion would trim sabrabo be koto ti dem out. When you peace of mind, the fashion would trim say, and na abrabo na wo bono. Ube share obi ube chia no ube twam akọ. Ube share obi ube chia no be tran wo chen afebọ. That is the only reason or that is the only thing that will help your life, to be easier. And the fashion would trim. Sometimes don't kill yourself over certain people. Say, hey, nanka krachi, nanka me done pa. Na, aso twini we free me, me Japan. Manen twe ho nonko. Because Nyankopon e designing say ombra brabo ni mu na in a short possible time won free brabo ni mu nko. Sana brabo ne tie. Hey, nanka mami, nanka ye me boafo pa. Nanka papa yi nanka me boafo pa. Nanka enipa da sani nanka obi ti say, nanka me pa choti. Abraba na obo no se be easier than our say we tin nyoma biase. Just understand certain principles in life. A life hack. Sometimes here penimu bi obeka chro. Here ya santo bi obeka chro. But say what trans na say what tin nyoma biase wa abrabo ma. Ube hu say sa abrabo yi kra eno ani o. Sa abrabo yi kra fofufu say ya o. Abrabo yi sa simple say ya o. Simple. Don't complicate yourself. Don't complicate issues. No. This is life. And don't also, may expect too much in life. No. Life will become much easier. So the underlying word here is much. Yeah? Life will become much easier. I didn't say life will become easier, but life will become much nasi. What's the answer? So life will become much easier when we will finally understand, or when we finally understand which hand to shake, sign shake nasi, and which one to hold, sign hold nasi. The difference between hold and shaker. Ube hu abrabo no so ye. Abrabo na no ani. Prepare who bebre. Na atopa nya be fa o sa fun o de coin. Papa, phone am be ka message no be fa da cotton. Hey. O de mati. Hey, hasipa. All right, so 39 minutes into 10. All right, there's this song from No Pressures. We have this guy. Yesterday, Obi, I recommended you be mommy. And I say a friend say low pressure or me who didn't bo. low. L-O-W. Low. As in low. Low cry. Low. And my money for it, you know, edit to me mail mo. But unfortunately, this morning, me, I don't know, say, and me, hear me out. Now, I don't know, a casa nyansa. They were because me penyansa nyom. Me penyoma would tell us now who's a new way I cancel. I will try and find the song and play it for you maybe tomorrow. Yes. Alright, so I had a medium motivational message in ABC. And you want to come here to about mount. A casaba brabo. Say Abrabo never call Yamawa. I was so who now for our normal now. I was so who oba and now bear mount never bobra. I was saying Nipana was Shanas and Uhuni Subai. I be call you the amount Titi cry. Unfortunately, me Yanamono, my one watching. Shama, Sabu shot to pint to a Casacasa. Hey, in your shoe. In your shoe.
And to me, Hey, Jumaye. Hey, Jumaye.
Number one.
Yeah. You show me how to love and get a loving. Hey, yeah, man, how I'm bring cause I got it. Mama chance to make sure we'll do my colors. Do you want him on? I'm a queen when they were palace. Wanna be the one to make you smile. Before him, I will be seen. It's been a while. Let's cut the crap. I wanna walk you down the aisle. Girl, if you want it, you know the number to dial. Come on, baby, you already know I know that trick. Now say what friend me, I go pull up quick. We'll be saying Penno Charlie, who that chick? No went trim like a throwback pick.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Krusty.
Know some love and hip hop shit. Nah.
You mean a lot to me. You mesmerize me. Bring out the best in me. Yeah. Makes you my wifey. Girl open up to me. It's refreshing. How me what you eat. Yeah. I got one eat some more. Yeah.
I never saw this coming. Somebody stop my baby from running. I said, can I let's have a talk. I go die for your love and you can never take it from me. I swear to God I took this shit for granted. I never met your type for this planet. As soon as you get back to me, my baby, I promise to treat you better. I'm looking for where the planets may so kawa. Ride with you until the end. My feel papa, you do and I do. Shit is intense, I still suffer. Now why am I my baby thanks? Uchi mame kwa nigga no do your rank back. You know who you do that with. Come close, let me give you true love tips. You and me, baby girl, that's it. This is real, not some love and hip hop shit. Now
you mean a lot to me. You mesmerize me. Bring out the best in me. Yeah. Makes you my wifey. Girl open up to me. It's refreshing. How me what you eat. Yeah. I got one eat some more. Yeah.
How to love and get a love it. Hey, yeah, man, how I'm bring cause I got it. Mama chance to make sure we'll do my colors. Do you want him on? I'm a queen when they were palace. Wanna be the one to make you smile. Before him, I will be seen. It's been a while. Let's cut the crap. I wanna walk you down the aisle. Girl, if you want it, you know the number to dial. Come on, baby, you already know I know that trick. Now say what friend me, I go pull up quick. We'll be saying Penno Charlie, who that chick? No wait him like a throwback pick. You know who you do that with. Come close. Let me.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Krusty.
Know some love and hip hop shit. Nah.
You mean a lot to me. You mesmerize me. Bring out the best in me. Yeah. Makes you my wifey. Girl open up to me. It's refreshing. How me what you eat. Yeah. I got one eat some more. Yeah.
Somebody stop a baby from running. I said, can I let's have a talk. I go die for your love, and you can never take it from me. I swear to God, I took this shit for granted. I never met your type for this planet. As soon as you get back to me, my baby, I promise to treat you better. I'm looking for where the planets mesh. Ride with you until the end. My feel, Papa, you do and I do. Shit is intense. Now I am my baby. Uchima me kwana nigga no do your rank back. You know who you do that with. Come close, let me give you true love tips. You and me, baby girl, that's it. This is real, not some love and hip hop shit. Now
you mean a lot to me. You mesmerize me, bring out the best in me. Yeah. Makes you my wifey, girl up and up to me. It's refreshing. How me what you eat? Yeah. I got one eat some more. Yeah. Mesmerize me, bring out the best in me. Yeah. Makes you my wifey, girl up and up to me. It's refreshing. How me what you eat? Yeah. Jack, I wanna eat some more. Yeah.
You show me how to love and get a love it. Hey, yeah, man, how who be brave, cause I got it. Mama chance to make sure we'll do my colors. Do you want him, man? I'm a queen when they were palace. Wanna be the one to make you smile. Before the man will be saying it's been a while. Let's cut the crap, I wanna walk you down the aisle. Girl, if you want it, you know the number to dial. Come on, baby, you already know I know that trick. That's how what friend me, I go pull up quick. We'll be saying pen Charlie, who that chick? No way cream like a throwback pick. Whoa. You know who you do that with. Come close, let me give you true love tips. You and me, baby girl, that's it. This is real, not some love and hip hop shit. Nah.
You mean a lot to me. You mesmerize me, bring out the best in me. Yeah. Makes you my wifey, girl up and up to me. It's refreshing. How me what you eat? Yeah. Jack, I wanna eat some more. Yeah. Whip, girl I'm whip. Girl I'm whip. Baby I'm whip. Girl I'm whip. Girl I'm whip. Baby I'm whip.
Yeah, I never saw this coming. Somebody stop a baby from running. I said, can I let's have a talk. I go die for your love, and you can never take it from me. I swear to God, I took this shit for granted. I never met your type for this planet. As soon as you get back to me, my baby, I promise to treat you better. I'm looking for where the planets mesh. Ride with you until the end. My foot, Papa, you do and I do. I shit is intense. I still suffer. Now when I'm in my baby thanks. What you want me crying, they gotta do your right back. You know who you do that with.
Ooh, I'm all good. Make you shine it. Make you grind it. Bounce on it. Twerk on it. Wet it. Work it. Bend it. But don't break it. Bum, 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 bum. Bada bum, bada bum, bada bum. Bada bum, bada bum, bada bum. Bum, bada bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bada bum, bada bum, bada bum. Bada bum, bada bum, bada bum. Oh, Jaja, I don't thank you, Jaja. Very peaceful lady. Baby girl, you too soji. Ah, lick your mommy. Make she talk to your puppy. I see say we feel running. Me then you go do puppy. You make me okay. I don't care. Baby, what I'm talking about. Everything low-key. Oh my God. So if you conquer the love you feel my time. You make me okay. I can't believe I'm so fine. Your love they hide me, Mokobi. You're my do-re-mi. Girl, I got the remedy. You're my melody. Girl, I know if you drop and go. Girl, I suck for your love. Baby, ni brony, Mokobi. Give me the visa, make I enter your heart, oh. No be lie, oh baby, no turning back, oh. Oh my girl, I wanna take you to Africa. No be lie, oh baby, no turning back, oh.
Give me that visa, make up. Okay, this be my password, enter.
From Levity cost to penthouse, you go enter, Kolo mental. You don't like jollof for sushi. Life for me go be cushy. The effort where I go put in. Life go be beach like Moostin. Okay, this be my passport. Okay, stamped up. This be your word saying. Okay, stamped up. Haters go they hate. I beg brushed up. Yes, see my yes say my yes sound so light off. I no see them. Still I we go give them. They go see the difference. Me and you go there together. We go they shade them. Unsunu na me anymore. Me done yes in te. Your
love behind me, Mokobi. You're my do-re-mi. Girl, I got the remedy. You're my melody. Girl, I know if you drop and go. Girl, I suck for your love. Habibi ni brony, Mokogi. Give me the visa, make I enter your heart, oh. No be lie, oh baby, no turning back, oh. Oh my girl, I wanna take you to Africa. No be lie, oh baby, no turning back.
Give me that shit, give me that shit. Don't shy, give me that shit. On fire like you matchstick. X-Man, don't do you like shit? Why you always so under me? You got them follow me. Follow me. Look into her eyes, see potential. Good girl with strict credentials. Fuck the pandemic. Bad energy, fire planets. Relay your mind, me one whole time, I'm a permit. What you they like, you be divine, so share me. One. Streets no safe, maintain safe.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
See, I know you feel me, baby, oh. But when you see me coming down, you return your back. Make you know they try me, boy, oh. I got the feeling for you. Me, I know be stubborn, me, I know be babu. I want to show you sweet love. Me, I wanna dance, yeah. Although you will make a dance with you. Oh, yeah.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Although you will make a dance with you. Dance with you.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
I know you know me, girl. When you see me for party, you still there from. See, I know you feel me, baby, oh. But when you see me coming down, you return your back. Make you know they try me, boy. I got the feeling for you. Me, I know be stubborn, me, I know be babu. I want to show you sweet love. Me, I wanna dance. Yeah.
Although you will make a dance with you. Yeah. I wanna dance. That's right. Although baby make a dance with you. Yendiasa, Ranayan Kosa, Bra, Yendiasa, Ranayan Kosa, Bra, Yendiasa, Ranayan Kosa, Bra, Yendiasa, Ranayan Kosa.
How your body hot, steam for summer. Mama chance, now me no come. Every day one chops, full of bananas. Ready to commit, baby, do me what you wanna. Never lost. Things for you, I swear I never lost.
Hey.
X still likes you, Ray, I will lost. Me for trust, give me make a bus.
Alright, so music from Kamido.
Really how you're moving, lady.
I'm quite because this one, Dance With You.
Crazy.
Beautiful Ghanaian music right here, 93.3 FM. Trust me, I told you earlier, this is the only show to make sure to give you good music whilst you're working. That's right, this is our priority. This is what we want to do for you. I mean, just for you. So if you're in your taxi, you're in your office, wherever you are this morning, this is our duty to give you good music. Trust me. That's a big shout out to DJ Shabu. Behind the one and two, giving you all the good music right here on 93.3 FM. Alright, so on 3rd September, we are moving our programs from the studios to the town. Trust me, we're coming this coming Friday at Akemodan. behind the market.
And I go be your rap doctor.
Cargo lorry station on the right, so make a date and meet us there on 10 September. I'm going to my Friday where I buy Achimoda. The programs in from an opano, to see Aquaba driver. So, and so I share. I can't from staff in the one was a moon and out of pine. I know you know me, not to pine. When you know your fair cry, I am Fanisa. I want who or Bobada, who I dream park, Kusi, if you am Pofwa at the Padumas, DJ Sabo, Branesse, Frekas, Glover. Oh, mommy, dear. AJ, yeah, my own brother, Cabinet Genim, the sports head. AJ, Obrim Pong, Poku, Cabetas, Frank. Daniel Ajele, Emmanuel Mamidi, Emmanuel Abie, Lizzie, Adroda Kwake, Adroda Bruni, and Debbie, and Debbie, and the parking office of Mbomunia DV, and Billy, and Grover, Maca Grover. I can promise me on office or okay, my bomb union D. Newsroom, my bobby, newsroom, Kusi. And now, Prof, what come on, every ready to commit. Now, yes, your house, my bobby, Jenny, my body likes you, and I. Why? Listen, my one is she did try cream streets, and I call your fish, shady, call your name, like you. Right in Uncle Payat Mayaba. The watch up as I see out as I want to be new 0553 044 069 0553 044 069. I watch my book room. That's no months to be in the watch of Brazil and Pepe Chisibi. Toby. I can't find fun. I can't find games and fun festival. And Basso Uncle Payat 26 September. Would you the year pass? I wouldn't damn it. Wouldn't tell tennis about new spot. About your brother. I pick your forms. I want kind of family promises here. Brother, pick your forms. And now for any information beyond my batch of 0241 512388 0241 512388. And I said Brazil here for Cabra. I say much baby I kind of family. Drew a bois. Me batch of lorry station. I brought sign or Hawaii. Ujina kwa no crowd here. Me pick your forms here. Wouldn't table tennis ball. Wouldn't damn it to. Wouldn't spot to. You see me for Ayabra. Color Studios and the good time embroidery.
See, I know you feel me, baby. But when you see me come,
I know to your cover now for you to watch that check Color Studio me. But me batch off our messages for 0594841044. Did you want your salary split and paid every week, or you prefer monthly? Obviously, a trial cabo so maybe an obviously a trial can what you be. 0594841044. Anyway, they made their papa. I wanna dance. Yeah. Other you will make a dance with you. Only say me on. Sabu, mam sanya be back on count. Me voice upon on. But me see, and no man me that my voice number. But tell you where me da. Na voice my start. Na me show voice ma. Me show training. Me show voice training. Oh my days.
Come meet up on a thing up. Yeah. 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 Come meet up on a thing up.
Okay, team.
Yeah.
Ah,
come meet up on a thing up.
Boy, everybody know. When I'm into the shit.
Thing up. Yeah. I know you know me,
get.
When you see me from party, you still there from. See, I know you feel me, baby. But when you see me coming down, you return your back. Yeah. Make you know they try me, boy. I got the feeling for you. Me, I know be stubborn, me, I know be babu. I want to show you sweet love. Me, I wanna dance.
Okay, Tim.
Yeah.
wanna dance with you. I wanna dance. Okay, take. Other you make a dance with you. Dance with you. You go bra, bra, yendiasa. Bra na yankosa bra, bra, yendiasa. Bra na yankosa bra, bra, yendiasa. Bra na yankosa bra, bra, yendiasa.
How your body hot to me for summer.
Shavo, we are Shavo.
Chop City.
Now, who feel the voice to say? I got voice, baby. Man, you was a chill. What's the name? Say you're off key. Never off me, never too off key, my own. Me.
For trust. Make a bus, make a feather cost lights off. Me feeling high.
Right, I was young. I try your whole Brazil and 3.3 FM. Stay tuned. Was is here.
Eja minta adwuma
meje so ebro opening kwantabisa
eja we de anyama ni son na enya na wotwe ne na mbeto se wonu o made video kafukafo abomaki a mo petepete mkoko isu ene na su biem
me nua wa bisa bio na mpenifo se akom ene enkyeremu yagu koko isu agu nanso de bia ye beba na ate ene akate age koko isu afa
eya ben wunua na metensempa a maka bia kyerɛw na ewiase akokoba a oben woni no one di abebesere nokre wo mu ne se enura wodo e wodwa so no nyinaa wo mu ne ate ne akate na fanyonko entizesi a omukɔ nakra na entize wugu pɛ enye omo hwe na duru ba ko a etim ate ne akate pa ne din ne akate ken
de wo kan ye nokre sanse entesa enka emma ne sei da
akate ken ye duru nwanwaso bi a Rainbow Agro Sciences na kofa ba na duru din ne honam se na Ghana Cocoa Board so agiatum
akate ken wa mama koma Tomiyem
okuyani bi a opeso obo no koko hu ban no wonye ntempa no kope akateken yi bi nto akateken eye koko nurumu nyina hene Rainbow Agro Sciences na die bedwa so babia yeto okuyaye hu nuro bia obenya bia to ho so open dudu matua fra homa yi 0240897074 ana 0243639920 akateken obedi wo ho afri ate ni akatensem
Ohima mianka mbojuma ewo mpem na asema emre wo mpem pa o
Minua kawa kuma ato yem amaje herbal clinic esa enyadewa nyina wono esa enyadewa bi te se bema wayemre ewo mpem bema wontomenwo wo ema afemu nso amaje esa enyadewa bi te se asekeka wo ba wontomen enwo nso amaje behwe na wasenete ede amawo
se krampo na mefe dware bana so me ho keka me se zongola chichi e na achimio
dabi amaje esa ehunemu ni yare bia sempo bubu eguko anase woni pedie nyina ayemre udane weni ede kire amaje herbal clinic wonom ewo emfidie wo ho a wonom ede ebeso wahwe ehu yare a ehaw ansa na wonom amaw anwedru ubehu amaje herbal clinic kire kwan ewo odan aboabo any gas filling station no ene di enfeni mu fra won ewo telephone number edi di soyi eso 0244877840 anase 0205045655 ko amaje herbal clinic na nya wa yaresa
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense back.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric somewhere who by no, and Nasa wonum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Say, dear, a month for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, don't know what dance yes, and Yarwa who run Nipa and Yina etimi banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya within the and a home car. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buy every home. And now woman pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are dimpinti. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you are may move bia your tone in row. At to form 0246 208496. Imbus Haba Mesa, police in no adrono. And Kratway FDA, Asayasi.
Mido, asa na di fia e rampao.
Ha, Eye pine 20 and I'm if you sham sano.
And no see a suprana.
Eye J.A. Pine and Call Limited. And one with the sun your way in our bed just so. And you no quampo na wo me do so to one. And your money say baby.
Near me bit to set down now.
Pine zone and I'm saying what then your men yet to say wine. Eye parazone one and me this year.
Middle, me fan feature up to be the nefro. Dear Badina, I will rap to be easy.
Eye Kasha no one. I'm a dear to a popo be brain in us. Nubia, Papa Patas soon as so at to say wine.
Nancy, our one in Nampila. Who our Wobia will fear happy.
Meditawo, Eye J.A. Pine snake reparent. I'm dear to a massesan.
Hey, and no more near my papa.
Finally, quiz open and say, what did you have Madame was saying? I and one I'm the one Chelsea when you're not that.
And you're with you, media does the Acharaman sign. I ain't fan no more.
Japan, woman, your mano, Ubenya Biato, Kumasa, Takra, the Tamale, Ho, Sunyane, Kwako, Wabuase, Bonga, Oda, Ghana Commercial Bangi, and the animal chef. So, Penidoso Poma Tua, Ubenya be a walker, Swa, Riniba Road, the Wakasana factory, no SCA. Mamma number, Namfan Koma Coin, no so from 0242 771 650. And now 0247 576 643.
The novel now so Mudini body say.
Eye J.A. Binding and Call Limited.
Me drew horses here.
A Jamo building contractor for dear a yana many brimu. If you say a bus cement, iron rods, any blocks I this year dynamo. Mother said Jamo Freya near the factory, straight near the Abramo
factory. Then I want to Quasi Distribution Agency in Kaon.
Hey, who can one purpose and Siena Mabo, Sa Quasi Distribution Agency for you?
Achi, Achiwa Dan and Bottom Hadi will be a war see done, and now wire construction beer, Ecofan cement, and an iron rods, every Quasi Distribution Agency. And see, and your factory one I know what the Bramo. A factory, the contract. Quasi Distribution Agency and also supply cement, iron rods, blocks, size BR, and adwa binding wires, pavement blocks, and ya dance who Yemen Kayena.
And it is a woman I dig one more track in the Breway.
Achimo Danny Eastern Region and Kaya Hadia will be a confirmed cement, iron rods, a free Quasi Distribution Agency, Achimo Dan.
Ah, sir, Cyber Dini Mammy Bio,
Quasi Distribution Agency, Achimo Dan.
Monsieur Fiti Necro, a Dembia Missiano, a Chim Danny Eastern Regiham Potamwakani dear, a Quasi Distribution Agency, a Juana Meko. Matisse, one more opposite Timber Market, Omo Bay MTN, and a telephone numbers and Sua, a 0202 722 695, and a 0266 422 351. Quasi Distribution Agency, Yaya Yesi Dino, Yanewa Necro.
Yo, Charlie Radio so I tasty. Fisemiti Kwabena Costi. Ewo Ahenkan FM 93.3. We day.
Hello Ghana, this is a girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costi.
Yo, send me wicked and bad. Boss girl, send me machine at your yard. Send me better than the rest. Make a tune, what's in your fear? Yo, send me wicked and bad. Boss girl, send me machine at your yard. Send me better than the rest. Make a tune, what's in your fear? Got the remedy, got the energy. More film, cleaning up the industry. These fake MCs in my pedigree. The original, try to copy me. No more drama, bring in some action. I'm the chosen one, you're just a fraction. Flow mathematics, I'm dope, you're an addict. Check your words, my body, check your diction. I'm the real deal, Charlie, no plastic. Try to copy my style, I change tactics. Yeah, excel on my chest. You are now rocking with the best. Yo, send me wicked and bad. Boss girl, send me machine at your yard. Send me better than the rest. Make a tune, what's in your fear? Yo, send me wicked and bad. Boss girl, send me machine at your yard. Send me better than the rest. Make a tune, what's in your fear? What's some of your leaders? I'll be founder, just a mason. I'm the grandmaster. Share, maybe mama flow proper. Do magic on the mic, second my superstar. New entourage, my own stylist, do it extra large. High grade finest, boss gas. You my top, takes no stress, I pass it slow. Class this, rock away, someone come to the chase. The ways off it,
I never see the kind I'm looking for. I used to stand up tall, but now you done make a fall. Anything you want, I could give. You're my lover, my heavenly gift. Anything you want to say, cause I could love you every day, cause you're that one girl.
guy quite like you, you're special, the exception to the rule. Yeah, you're my star, I'm your twinkle. And I love the way you kiss on my dimple. Yeah, when a party's just a talk. Them say we no go last, then say we just a walk. They wanna imitate us, cause they can't, they tryna separate us. Yeah, our bond is so strong. When the song ends, the music still goes on. One boy, one girl, one heart, one love, one world.
You're that one girl. You're that one girl. Nothing with it over. You're that one girl. You know who I be. You're that one girl. This is Links. If you we would run everything. Say I'm the arrow, but I can't contest the arrow.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Today, everybody calling on my name.
Forget to ya one. Ah boy. Ah boy. You know what time it is. Ah boy. Yeah. Ah boy. Big nation. Ah boy. Yes. Up in the bomb ready. Stone boy. And Kasa. Let's talk do more. Me a roll up meeting in a corner. Them this spread rumor. Rasta Beji Magana. Big up the ghetto you them from Honolulu to Ghana, yeah. See we they born two more, I credit now we know it on ya. Any man try kill me vibe, we gonna work with them. I know them where we a work with, any man work with them. I know them where we a work with. Wafira, fira, la la li la lo, la 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 li la lo le. Wafira. I just come out my eye cause I see many pass this one. Many rise, many fall, many price, many dull, many sacrifice for some get all, some they don't that to pay for. Anyway, so long as we live on way, God lead me astray.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Alright, so we are back on air. We are back again. Menye Kiddy, but I'm back again. No, I say I will be back again. And then I say we need to hear you. All right, happy birthday, Kasia Point Command. Mina Arthur. Happy big birthday. Going out to you, Mina Arthur. Wabu ya. Atopanya den answer. Ale me wish birthday I also. My marriage birthday. Hey, I thought I'll be steady. It's been after happy birthday. This is coming from my kind father. I am kind father Dixon. I thought I was ready to say my birthday. Oh, your father birthday. Right, so on the birthday notes, say your birthday, happy birthday, Kesia Point come on. And you share the same birthday with Benedict Tagafa. Huh? What's the name? I don't know birthday. That when I know do birthday. 26th, 30th. Ah. Do birthday 2 days. Alright, so happy birthday to Benedict Tagafa. So she is a Ghanaian actress and also a film producer. She has been featured in both Gollywood and Kumawood movies, which include Mirror Girl, Zonto Ghost, and April Fool. She is a signee of Xylophone Media. Them still sign out. I think say in contract to die. Alright, so she was born on 1st September 1992. She's 29 years today. She was born in Accra, Abelemkpe. So today happens to be her birthday. Benedicta Gafa. And then the birthday. Happy birthday, go be around so do birthday and happy birthday to you all. Alright, so to our question of the day, would you want your salary split and paid every week, or you prefer monthly? Or salary ni yenchum na ya ma stop. I think a week saying at the bank week we are budget 2.5 and sa na boso na so. I was ya makata pa salary must have more do Kenya must start saying you know. So budget 2.5 or so me am for man make 2.5 in yam bombo so. E man must start na ni go makata salary o Color Studios and negative embroidery. Nobody want to make come fellas. Maybe photography, photography studio photography. Picture frame, passport picture. Color Studios and Color Studios and negative embroidery. Maybe sort out one time. Yes, bra. I had show original photography. Where are you from? Open home, bra. I sort out one type. The school crest, chat Lacoste, face style cap embroidery. After yes, I'm training conform person musia video editing, video shoots, camera handling. Then you have you watch him on Upseed Canal Pharmacy. I've run sign for now. I see open I'll be here. Friend 0245 276 0245 276 and yes, sort out. Police in here draw in boost our make sure with your man so. The batch born immune system need to be young day. A boy, my area a show with you one answer when I'm be a baby afa. In boost our make sure wow. I rank it to get to be a 2 hours. I'm a patch off. She share. In boost the chair coin. Our drugstore be our house and answer chill. Or house on 93. Or how long as I say, oh, honey, I will. Ya represent it, ya represent cho. Oh, how I basa. If I choco drugstore be a cow say me pay imbuse about me sha. A draway, a patcho, and yes, I'll buy a renkwan, I'll be shade drew chakwan, Debbie. So yare, pay imbus nibino, my wow. Now, born who buy. When you say immune system, no, say any hoardia, and I are and get it be a about video. And to boost it. Immune system no and what in brim immune booster papa your friend no say in booster about make sure nanu be ebe boy ye pa friend was 0246 208496 and that's 0540710113 0540710113 and that's 0246 208496. Maybe tell me what news be at the man Coco here for. It's Coco Kenny now with me. Maybe tell Akate King 7 can show. Say omon kwa ana onon kwa na ye dura odi gu Coco so a otu Coco nya mwan kitingiti bia amotiti Coco no otu amasifi Coco no so. Akate King a product of Rainbow Agro Sciences. And it's been approved by Ghana Cocoa Board. And the cocoa care for Mutemi Samre Pacho, I can't know how too much. A cocoa cocoa. Maybe I can't take King Chakwan. Now, I cannot send back a woman say, you can't send back a woman say. akate king ekum aya akate na ekum ate na ekum akokono ya ade no na esa boa ma koko no aso doso aso fefe ho a ho se koko pod di ho akono aya akate king na betima yesa beba cho agrochemical shop bi a obenya bi ato agrochemical shop bi akwa wo se me akate king Fresh 0240897074 0240897074 and 0243639920 0243639920 Akate King ebe bo ba koko na sudoso mama ken ka message kakra yeah Selewa. Okay, Itino. Hey, Nadena maybe. Baby fufro. Okay. I see a friend Akwasi Kisi Gomuan crime. Hey, did you know? Akwasi Kisi Gomuan crime. I say this is the day the Lord has blessed. I thank God for goodness and mercies upon my life and the life of my wife, Rita Kwafi. And also use your platform to reach my dear sister Abina Eshon, NDC Gomwa West Deputy Communications Officer. A happy, blessed birthday. May she be blessed in Jesus' name. Amen. Alright, so send your messages through 0594841044. Shall we check it? What's happening, mommy? Yeah, hold it. Atopan, come and check the WhatsApp for us, please. Jeffrey Texan. So, bro, I'm watching you live from Dubai. Keep it up, bro. Jeffrey. My brother Jeffrey. What's up, my brother? Alright, so Jeffrey had a fight with me, I think, on Sunday evening. Alright, so Jeffrey is watching me live from Dubai. Florence Watma. I said I'm watching you, my school son. Really? Florence. What's up? Let's check it. What's up, man? Right, so once again, big shouts to you, my man, Jeffrey Texan, aka Rock. Hey, Rock, oh Rock. That's right. Interesting, yeah. Okay, my main Kaiway, this one says, Heavenly Father, I enter this month with thanksgiving and praise. You have made me glad by your abundant mercies. Greetings to Abrantepa, the perfect gentleman, Kobna Kosti, and Co Dompe Ahimfie Sports. Asenifo nyina enim ba ko pe the fashion boss or Achima Asene Methodist School Junction Piao. Asenifo nyina enim ba ko pe. What's up, bro? Good morning, Kosti. Hope you are doing good. I am. Salome from Other Pentecost sent in this one. Hey, Salo, long time. Oh, yeah. Where's the Kosti? How are you doing? Long time, bro. Your boy, password. This from Simple Computers. Password. At the same. I prefer being paid every week, every 2 weeks. Has been done to the military people. Say Romeo Mobile Phones and Repairs Institute. I came when she say Romeo. I know this name. Romeo. I know this person. Wenchi Romeo. Say Romeo. I know him. But I mean, so bad car really. Also, anyway. I know. But I check one. I think we met somewhere 2018 or something. I check. It's over time there. Good morning, I'm Asante Benjamin from Odan. All SHS candidates will pass their WAEC today. I want my salary week. My days. SS for the is more pass you. Amen, oh amen. You go pass it, you can't have and can't see the life will be better. Shall we make I tell you some story? At the time, we want to time we like with the rep 1 hour sido. Geography, I say a part of. We for the whole inside the world, we get the apple. And I all you see, a color. I think we are about I think 1,000. It's in A4 on. Maybe I say Asante, Asante Esuma. I'm on the kind. Yes, you don't want to go home back. And I am B for also. You call home back. Now before me doesn't to the extent say how now the before my me inside me boating. Me may use a shampoo. No, that's my say. Now me go A. David. To me so what that. Before the doors want to the extent say be how I am. Now mo pay different class at the my. Yeah, I can. Now, yeah, we were, I think, 56 in that room. Before Nkwa was honum. And upon the fair. It's Lady Bako, yeah, they know, Sana. Teacher Bakuti, whom they are costing. Or by G. Pepper no body, foolish girl. Manchawan can ube chakule go. That is a Lego. I got a collab Palea. Oh, there. Or Jimmy Party freeze about foolish girl. Manchawan can ube chakule go. I also. Where's a good morning, Janet from Wenchi. Bra Kobina. Media in this fellow Ghanaians ruling pan there. I would prefer it monthly. Greetings to Shabo, Lizzie, and my darling Kojo Fish. Hey! Kojo Fish is your darling, eh? Well? Yan Casabe, no children. And you want the Kojo Fish darling issue. Kojo Fish and Kwan, any power call Amaje Herba Clinic at Family Edgema. Wako Amaje, Yamana massage. Yamana massage, papa. Physiotherapy. Kojo Fish. Ayo. Beba chop massage. Call my J about clinic. Yeah, the ultra modern scan machine so they are buying scanning already and on scanning body niya. Na you be I ran a problem na tete no. Ya ran ayo problem ayo kwandanda. Ayo obstacle. There be no obstacle na can make chronic. Second and then the chronic. Hey, it's a pacho. I am a day clinic and I'm very common the other man. Infertility, typhoid, ulcer, prostate enlargement, syphilis, hepatitis B and C, nothing so hypertension. My pacho ko amaje. Menstrual problem, diabetes, gonorrhea. Amaje se branon to as a man. O maso ye hodi me pacho. Ye nsa ya re na nsa fa bi coffee. You drew one year to us one time. Now, Fish say, and country marketing manager say, Dr. Bill Croman say, or the 2 billion crabs over advert. My end yet. Once I think 2 months enough is complaining about on. And also what they call herbal clinic. Doctor no diagnose season or say, oh, I doing a and I would need to address. Fish is on me do na yare ne nko enu so bi meka ho de tie adete and also call hobby ko no say dog that's a yare me who difference but doctor ne say I'm saying that oya say hey every say back on mama odro money o doctor ni kukojo ago kukojo simple cry me pa chokwa maje o de enya osa e diagnose wa de be hu yare no ne ama odro e de be ma to us one time, Fred 0244 877 840 0244-877-840 0205-045-663 0205-045-663. I'm a clinic watching more than Red Cross Junction. If I feel gas na opposites or na be here and as I been Kwamo Junction. I'm a clinic. See why I receive here.
John Mr. J, baby. Life is in the air. So when the girl am there, dedicated to all of the gifts of girl and I brought one and stone boy. This one is for my true lovers in the ghettos. I say order of a uno mundia, wo utinko. Get so low, get so low, get so low. This not you, get so low, get so loving, get so loving, get so low. This not you, get so low. My baby girl say she's solely living a life for me. She can do without me. I'm her source of energy. She says I'm the only one, bright in the morning like the sun. No matter the situation, she would trade me for any man. Sometimes her love them make me wonder. Oh my God, the things she they do them make me ponder. Empty the back run and shower day. I seem to act again and again. And yet the answer to a ding. I check my drink. The bonny tutuo, ya shana bufuo, ya finish tuo, said you oversuro. Nakuma prim o, dini trip o, himo don't see us idiot timano team. We like Siamese twins, dangerously inseparable. Now calling Gary and beans deliciously palatable. My heavenly made bride. We go like Bonnie and Clyde, yeah. Get so low, get so low, get so low. This not you, get so low, get so loving, get so loving, get so low. This not you, get so low. I wonder where she got this kind of loving from. I wonder why she perfect and never do no wrong. Oh my empress, you my sunshine, sunshine. Get so girl like you my lifeline. When I got nothing to do.
As you said, me one man you. Bini me chai mami so umu. We say na mi grande me santo so. Picture me chia me. I am say be great mudio. When am I come so my dear. And see I ain't dream wo. Ode, over do me hard me pray ko. Ode. Over do me hard me pray ko. Ode. I want me fa o don't do. Ode. And family who me no don't chicho. Me de. Try to paint my love for you. Don't you hear what them they say? I go love you, make me shame the devil. But you for hold me like your own, now and forever. I want them never hold on to you.
The way you did make me weak. I call me high, maybe him. Show Sure you knock me off my feet. Oh mama, come and tell me in. The way you walk, they make me weak. And call me high, baby. Smile. Somebody wanted to me swear. Hey, I know me. What can send that get to my summa? No man on the same kuto. Makumba moya me da. Me a see moya me fe. Makumba moya me da. 'Cause your love make me color. I don't know what to say. Come and rock my body. Your love make me color. I don't know what to say.
Guts and grind, baby. That's two.
Ejumo.
Ejumaye.
All right, so I go start the body ones is here. I go start the body ones at that. Now, and birthday wa could be a cost of here. Birthday, yes, if it's no pa, and no pump. How much out of power, Juma? Who was this for? It's how much in a moody birthday? 6 news. Okay. Maybe what two?
Messi, I past 6. And I shall say birthday no. 26 news. Everything. Marching. Everything. People sports. Opokumo. Any age. Omo we no. People review. Everything no. Afei. Ejuma. So we say.
But you see a mutuo bi ba me pa cho catch a father say. E mutuo no say fa. If you ho no ma. Yempe. Frikas ni. Beli keke betia pos. Frikas ni beli keke o metia pos. Enti no mina ata.
Eni bani mi ya omo ma ye hu bibi ante sa de ya.
Ode be ba. Mina ata. O mutuo me pa cho. E fa fafie, fa adwumam. Fa adwumam. Ye if you okra me kwan wa ba ko na say me no ko.
Ye nante ye nyina ne ko.
Na topan kan. Say ya bre.
Ye bedu na atwen.
Me pa cho. Abutuo ni kwan ni akokọ no. O say ha ne friend say.
Ofadampem.
Eti akokọ ofadampem na da no de ma ye.
Ne ho no na ti wasa.
Ne friend ofadampem.
Ne bono.
Ni ya friend ofadampem. Okay. Me pa cho. Me sa kan biem say mina ata. Say omutuo no efa mo kwan no so sababa fage me ha.
Eko sa afikasim wo na ye pe. Efikasim wo de me fanko.
Eko efie kese na se swimming pool wo efie no soro na.
Ho de da bi.
Frikas ni na se beti apos. Billy abedma.
Billy su shewo.
Billy Kofi.
Akọ
Billy su beti apos. E pa cho. E mane mfa fie kese ho. Embre adwumam.
Ebe adwumam so a emesi ye so.
Eno ano no. Ati ni birthday na egusu di no.
Abosen 1143. Ai. Enti by 1150 no ye ntin won bopoe bia.
Ai.
Se yan so le.
David.
Se for that Dixon otie.
Father Catch a father say. Father promise me sika bi. Emedru ye.
Wa promise o de
sika.
Ho. Enka na me fa nkra ne man.
Emedru ye. Father friend me. Oh, governor me oh father. Since I will call you, me
the can budget.
Na say, unim say tawa na father wa no. Ano pe bia me be the father me budget. But ano pe bia me nya de be 2 GHB there. Me see 20.
20.
20. It me be me bia the father me budget say me be I can father Dexy. Oh pompo. E dey be no. It is me ba na say me hu na just say San unse first na no pebe na menum Lucozade. That one na father wa. Ano pebe ya na di nya na father botuma. Ona to pa hin na ni bere makase mi botum.
No so be so he.
Musical to.
De onim.
Ka ya musical to.
Ento. Kwa blessing ento.
Ever since a father call him menum Lucozade biem. 20 so cry ma biem. And me frɛ father. So father, who call you there? Oba afa o. O se come am send you mo me. Be see ne.
Wo so me say ni.
Me nu. Father call e. Mo mo ni mba e. Enti da ye dey say me trogu oba. Giniya plus no father me gibia no. Enti no father dey me ka 2000 on now one. Father, what did we got 2,000? Oh, na share. You China ni bank. What did we got 2,000? Na one fuck out budget.
Now the dad or promise us obesani mo na man.
Okay, I no pay us in the refi. Say no pay me sa kai no.
Father say ni refi.
Us na the refi.
Me some me di kan na kasa ansa na no be kasa. Father say wa promise mo bi. Na nya ade mo no. Onsa be ka.
Oh, now if you don't know father catch me say.
Me na make catch you. Father say me boa ani on say ni mo money from.
Father,
ono na catch me. O say na dey on sabeka.
Mami checking this is ya. Check father this ya. Me hear them.
O say nya dey a. O say ba beka mo bia. On dey say na no dey aka. Me ba na mama. So ntimi nche no. Bebi o be dey akwache no. O timi nche no.
So beba.
Obeba.
Matis say by next week they no do that.
We so see father car say this week no.
Oh, say next week.
Say no catch you.
Say next week they no do that.
Me say ha ho.
Say na o kan.
Me ne kasai. O say onye mai. Onye mai next week na wa catch you. Bi be Christmas man na say November mo no. No aba. Say next week bia.
Eti boga father Dixon. Say honum yen send ni mama. Me $1 account me tell the amount na that two me pay me between TV no
oh country bia wo bia
say yen momo ha your $1 account ma me fa me $1 account ma na
ye de na nyadin baby a wo bia hye tokuro mu kura hye poase o pese send ba fabra ye benya account ama de betuma ye sabeka titi
ana ye pe krampa ye betum na fa Cresata
hon na be ka yen sa ba be ka yen
right so once again happy birthday guys and comma Minata yes Minata happy birthday and comma Minata
nyangupo nshano papa
but who say Mina yeah
oh said that now but ono
onimi yeah but ni parents na nimi
mommy said as you do na ni mommy
kasa mo vibe ya but ono de onimi yes it's the birthday Minata and your birthday omutuo no so there enti senia mina mama ni mi kwala bremu nyi there omutuo mi na wasa be chairman
sir
what you say
na me my vice
mi na wasa be chairman
who the chairman there fatal me so na me your ba
enti no
me my vice
eno ano no
so ahu
atopan be there
at why
obe ho njensi enti mina mesro omutuo na fa nko fie kese ho say fie kese de nya tra gate tuntum ne pe MPN free mu biem
na kwabne unse yenya de we obobo fo ya manfo ho awards no maachi no ye promote man
alright
so bo adwuma papa bampate ma pa de obi antu no
obi ani monda tablet
oh say oni size
obi aya we
oni size na eye maachi meboa
exactly
nti ni short code no owo ni short code no ye fan to dwa na amo mpese o move oti ana ase mo mpese mo di momo no eba no na mo di momo na ba na ja
ba agra Friday ya
Friday ya tina me ye no so what ya say
Friday ya
ye promote oba de no to ho
me
she na to say ye ma bibia nko so what ya say Friday ya patem ha epuemantem a morning show ben ene time ache mo nka morning show ben ene time ma ache jataba Ansroja morning show be na chan no. You share e fear the year na te say e ba so na wahu.
Yeah, me
wahu.
Yes.
It
you know me ba top us vote ma obo for Rama for Jataba morning show host of the year. Yeah, promote match and you promote morning show host of the year. Obo ban den match you.
Morning show
host of the year. That's
okay.
right. Yes, it unzo obo do boy juma.
Sir.
And to us vote ma obo. In fact, any so person vote here. Vote ma obo for Rama for. Obo dial star 447 star 714 Ash. Umia about vote I think take it to be sir, but choose to vote.
Sir.
Who choose to vote we about say enter nominees code. Oboba code na ER16.
ER16 16
ER16
16 bam.
Me pa cho na mi aso. Sisi ya na dey baby edru no dey yen fa 5 cedi nya hwi bi.
Debi boom boom boom.
Baby edru no dey mu ayedin Friday ya na
5 o'clock. Bang na say aso eti men twen say Friday no so at 4 o'clock no abe vote shall see vote free na de pem 5 o'clock
eti mami si code nso biem ER16 ER16 16 for Oboba Ofori Amanfo to win the morning show host of the year Jataba, right? It's a star 447 star 714 hash no me send ping na lodia na ba Friday ya
and I can FM station of the year and so here papa that's I can juma ya bo ha na nya juma kotoa
it is station of the year no so your code ER86 ER86 and so the same process now ba you busa nominees code no about ER36 sorry 86
ER86 86
yes
86 mama can say 86
me kota de baby ona me ka 15 mama just what say me say 50
into of so can say
we can Debbie man can yen na me can 50 series
okay
but no so not in 15 and I say 50 or see there what in 15 now I say Branta by how 50
into 86
86
and Oboba dey no say ER16 16
okay 16 that's right now for
momo no so wo hwe na ewa a long processor na send momo no at asena bibia e be vote say na dey ko 20 30 40 50 100 200 na o petu a bosomi aso nti waje na o de per 100 bi ansa wo ba for we
na
na tugum 100 o tama no atu agum o de agum sa pepe to per 100 bi ni 50 bi an atu agum wa ba for we no nya se bi a wakwa so dem kwan kwato ofren na ya for bo o cho bi ade a ya for bo nyamesom na ye wo mu no nti for we bo so mi aso waji na wa per 150 bi na de agum ayenkan de na ye ER86 Oboba de ye ER16 o de agum eno ano no na ye koye nim ye kwaje ba ha eye mo mada roma ena ama yetimi akotebiri awards kese we e de aba
ye kwaje ba ye party
sa ye ne mo so na be boil
ye be party
sa
ye kwaje ba ye be
yentimi ni nya mo kra
mi feedback bi amedi wo
oh dabi ma
de bia ye so se ma de bia ma
oh na dem wa de aba me han ka me fama de ma de Friday nso de market no edwa na ti wo na nya sam ko to akra Friday me te se na wo bobo register no enya sam ko to akra to pan he de nya de obedi echi
say atofan de ya o
nya de obedi echi
ye ko be bia onko
enti Friday de ampaya bedwa ewo edwa na ti ye ni market edwadifo ma no eni achemedan hafo nyina na ye kwakodi dwuma ewo market no edwa na ti won na ye programs ni na nti enwime news pe enenko obi kwaku nkrom Africa se oye kane anko ye bobo oba achemedan ha epuema ntema obi otimi board drive ne drive so worship koso ma hunhun sane eye kwaku nkrom Africa se mebo na no kra eti Friday die ahwe be chan so dem ebeche basra so dem ebeche Pentecost so dem life worship pa ba be koso ye wia ye di praises na ginam na di ginam a woni handkerchief ema se woni mpaboa papa nso a wode besa ema kope kume se na be ya ase wentem na fa besa na Friday die ampaya ebedwa oba na wabo aboso yi ente sa de aboso ni sane a wani mbegu ase sansa sa papa umbehu ho no behwe kwabna costi eni otu echampon Mr Puzo behwe na asa obesa ho no wanka sa umbehu say yes ayenkanfo eni masa kwabna
me na me hwehwe opoku voice no ba mi hu opoku voice no
bet nana
bet no opoku try ma hwe ana nda me phone code ni nche no paper
ref so do phone opoku en ka do phone ma no obeja se voice no obeja voice na to so
ouch bet uja cha uzi unja twa
nene kra scale kra opoku ye 7 cedis 50 pesos opoku di asoma na omo producer and back on your friend is saying Foster what you assume say we
Foster wo chacha wunya Foster
now somebody name on my hand and now opoku ntwa bet sa when nya be do fie happen na me ni watimi am akra we up to say mu twa munni mucha
Foster wo chacha
mucha munni Foster twa wodi
chacha wunya
na onu say Foster timi da wo mo ana omudo musika ama ne di akutwa me ka me kire wo ama kwa hwe me na make first to me dad papa fo mpenifo yi na omudi omusika akwa akotwa ayi kwasti
yes mi hu opoku voice ye mi ya
abayo oni se woni mbenku ka
osede
dio hu nua na ofole man no
me hu nso gina osede
ohun me ba no nso a wo be fole man se we di osa
now they will be able for oh
my cantara so them say where dey osua cantara dey osua anti ko anim na bo okura uni bi plate nkwa na wo onibo plate nkwa na wo ne dem oso onim nkwa anu ane ye
ohweme
amwa mo nkwa no onim no
adi aye ubuza me hwe ya mba na me make me ama me abebuza me make me ama opoku voice na yellow from my phone so
ayira opoku voice na beba o tese beli keke dia na laptop no fish hu ana
me pa cho minimum hwe mamba adwuma mini ha
11:57 mba obi kasa wonte
there be kasa bit na news for na mo ba mo di energy bi room sa
news dia wow sha o my moon 7